Oyo ni mucii wa mundu kiumbe mwena wa Thindigua kuria makiria ma katoni 2,000 cia njohi gananie irahithukirio ni Maobithaa borithi kuuma kaunti ya Kiambu aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutafania mungururio muroto wao munene ari kuhurana na njohi cibango kaunti-ini iyo. Matongoretio ni Maobithaa kuhurana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia na kada ruhonge rwa guthurima ukinyaniru wa indo KEBS ni marahotire kuhithukia njohi cio iria kurerikana ciumite bururi-ini wa South Africa na itire na muhuri wa KEBS.
There was a mention that there is a whole truck of imported alcohol. What we have just confirmed is that there is no KRA stamps. Then the other thing is just that it's in residential area and there is no license for as a warehouse. So those are only the 3 things that we have been able to notice.
I want to thank the officers who got the information that he was storing the products in his residence for alerting the multi-agency team and for alerting us. And it's important that we get information so that people don't hide products that are harmful in the residential areas.
Ona kuhana uguo mwene mucii ucio John Githiomi ni amenereire Ikinya aria Maobithaa acio akiuga matirare na kihoto gia kumuhithukira tondu ni ararumirire watho uria wendekanaga na ni arehariirie kuoya mihuri ya ruhonge rwa guthurima ukinyaniri wa indo wa KEBS.
Since 28 I was struggling. Nilikuwa na gari mbili. Hata sasa kuna nyingine nilimwaga Kitengera. I have spent 11 million. The duty I paid 11 million. Understand me well. And now serikali iko hapa imesimama hapa nje. Watu wa area wote wanaona. Wanasema nimeiba au ni nini?
County Commissioner wa Kiambu Wilson Wanyanga ni athinyiririe kuga mati kugwa kuhurana na njohi ci njikirire mukana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.